Howdy, I'm trying to get more videos up. I've been really slacking. I might not even post the recent videos I've made. I might go group them all together, I don't know. But I got a Focus ST, a 2018 Focus ST. Super cool car, super comfortable, leather seats, AC, like it's a nice car. So I'm just doing some little mods right now. I just swapped the K&N air filter in it, and you can hear like the turbo so much more now. It's insane. I'll do a little clip of that. I should have done it before. I'm gonna do plugs too, because I don't know that they've ever been done. The service records never showed it. It showed oil changes and stuff, but never plugs. So I'm gonna do that, gap them correctly and everything. But here she is. So that's the K&N air filter. The engine cover is off right now. You can see the old filter is much more restricting. So it's much more open. A lot of people actually keep the cover off, and it lets a little bit more air in. It gives you a little bit more turbo sound, turbo flutter. So we'll see about that. I mean, it's in there. I don't think it's gonna come out. And it looks cool. So we're gonna do plugs. This is direct injected. I've never done that. I believe the plugs are all beneath the coils. It's coil on plug, so yeah, I guess it would be. These look simple enough. That one looks like it's gonna be tricky, but we'll get on it. So while I'm in here, I'm gonna do the spark plugs too. I think I said that, I don't remember. But you gotta take this intake hose off here. It's a clamp over here and a clamp over here, and then a screw or a 8mm bolt right there. And then you have, I believe it's 4 8mm bolts on each one, and these 2 little plastic tabs you just gotta pry off, and then these black clips, and you gotta push this little black plastic thing down. So got those 4 off. Wiggle them a little bit when you pull them out. They just pop out, but it's that one bolt up top, and they just pop out. 5/16 or 8mm, and then then the spark plug is down on in there. They all look pretty clean. That one looks a little brown. Fucking hell. So I thought I was recording. I got the spark plugs out. They're original Ford. I don't think they were ever changed. The car is 82,000 miles. So that's depressing. Jesus. So there was some sediment down in the spark plug holes. So I vacuumed it out real quick. I put a funnel on the tip of it just so I could get down in there, make sure I got it all. Now it's all clean, so nothing will fall down them holes. I'm gonna gap these new ones and put them in, and I'll show you the difference too, so you can really see how bad they were. I mean, this is the pack of the new ones. I know a lot of people get the one-step colder ones. I didn't, just because I got these kind of last minute. I didn't think of it, but I mean, look at this. If you've never done spark plugs, it should look kind of close to this. A little golder, just from the heat, but yeah, they should not look like this. So that should be much better. Okay, so I finished with the ST. I forgot to tell y'all and record it because I'm slow, but it's louder. You can hear the boost or the turbo more, like the little but this Jazz Performance shift boot came in, so this lets me delete the center console, and I believe it'll delete this as well, and then this will just take place of it. Big hype. I'm not sure about these wires or what they do, but I think this one just tells you that like the e-brake is on, but like it's not even tight. So it probably doesn't even work. So we'll just take it out. So we got that old one off. I'm gonna just tuck these wires and connections up in the hole that's already there. But you can see the turret is broken, so it leaks a little bit up here. So I need to get a replacement for that. But for now, it'll be alright. It'll be alright. It's cool shite, man. Cool stuff. So it'll just go right on over. We'll put the wires back. Get out of my way. Screw her in. And boom. I reckon. Yeah. So that is fully screwed on now. Boots on there, it covers everything up. It's got like a foam underneath, so it like seals it. And it deletes the whole console, so looks good. Got the wires hidden up in there. Yeah, she's coming together. I'm gonna put my likewise shift knob on this. I had it on the Protege, but I'm selling it since I got the ST, so I'm gonna put it on here. Same with my LZ wheel. I'll put that on here eventually. Also, I'm getting water somewhere, and that's not good. So the stock shift knob just threads on there, obviously, because it came on the car. You can get shift knobs with the same thread pattern that'll do that, but some like have a much bigger thread pattern and won't do that. So they come with like adapters, and it's pretty simple. Screw this one on first. This is like a locking one. Then this one, and you lock it against each other. They have flat edges so that you can use like pliers to lock it against each other. And then you thread this one on, and gangster. So I'll put those on real quick. So the threads on the Miata are actually like very not tall. So I didn't need the second locking one because it pushed the shifter too high. Sadly, I can't get it straight, and I don't care enough today to really try. But it's on there, looks good. Be a little bit easier to grab when sliding from second to first. So we're cleaning it up now. So I got that done. I taped off this back section to paint it, sanded it, and I'm primering it now. For now I'm gonna leave the fenders black just because they're so clean and I don't want to mess them up. Bumper's gonna stay red for now because I want a KBD kit. I want to paint this black. I might do that right now. We'll see how much work I want to do. So got it primered, sanded the primer, and first coat of paint on there. It probably won't turn out perfect because I'm kind of rushing it, but it won't be red. And I want to get to this, and I'm being lazy, so I don't know. So I taped all this off and painted it. I was too lazy to sand it, so it's gonna be bumpy, but whatever. Yeah, there's black. So this is all black now. I think it looks good. There's still some spots that are red, but I mean, I can touch it up later. When you step back, it looks good. I like it. I want to paint these and the cowl thingy. I might do that right now, I don't know. And that's done. That looks good too. Almost done, really just the over fenders I need, and then paint this and bumper. It's getting there. So I think I'm getting a little spray paint happy. I took the wipers off and spray painted the metal like frame part, and I spray painted the cowl thingy. Because it was like 7 colors and faded. So after this, the car will look pretty solid, pretty one color, pretty decent. Just really the bumper and the back fenders. Alright, so this is all painted. Looks good. This is painted. Back part's painted. Looks good. Productive day. I want to get the freaking new wheels on here and bumper and crap. I'm broke, so who knows when. But let's hope I actually post this video.